Find the action verb in the sentence. Option is A. My. B. Thinks. C. Plan. D. Friend. Answer is option B. Thinks.
The pigeon is sitting on the roof. In the sentence, pigeon is a. Option is A. Person. B. Place. C. Animal. D. Thing. Answer is option C. Animal.
Find the action verb in the sentence. Option is A. Kunal. B. The. C. Solves. D. Problems. Answer is option C. Solves.
The teacher is blank the students. Option is A. Teach. B. Taught. C. Teaching. D. None. Answer is option C. Teaching.
Mr. Jadeja is the blank member in our group. Option is A. Populist. B. More popular. C. Most popular. D. Popular. Answer is option C. Most popular.
Perhaps Jerry blank pass the exam tomorrow. Option is A. May. B. Can. C. Maybe. D. Can be. Answer is option A. May. Which animal is coming?
It's a gorilla.
Yes, you are right. Did you know, gorilla one of the biggest, most powerful living primates?
I have to buy blank umbrella. Option is A. B. An. C. D. D. None. Answer is option B. An.
He blank his own clothes. His mother does not wash his clothes. Option is A. Washed. B. Washes. C. Wash. D. Washing. Answer is option B. Washes.
She returned home after blank hour. Option is A. B. An. C. D. D. None. Sorry, we don't know the answer. If you know the answer, then like the video.
A lion is the blank animal in the forest. Option is A. Strongest. B. Stronger. C. Strong. D. None. Answer is option A. Strongest. Did you know, giraffe love to live in dry climates where they can take the heat?
Who wants to drink tea? In the sentence, tea is a. Option is A. Person. B. Place. C. Animal. D. Thing. Answer is option D. Thing.
Who does this book belong blank? Option is A. In. B. For. C. To. D. At. Answer is option C. To.
Find the noun in the sentence. Option is A. What. B. Your. C. Plans. D. Tomorrow. Answer is option C. Plans.
What does our lungs help us to? Option is A. Think. B. See. C. Eat. D. Breathe. Answer is option D, breathe.
We have a beautiful garden. Blank, garden is full of flowers. Option is A, B, an, C, the, D, none. Answer is option C, the.